All right, basically three A2s this week. So number one, we have 90 BPM as the goal. Number two is 140. No faster, by the way. So yeah, number one got 90. Number two is 140. Number three, with the tapping, it's also going to be 140. I got to explain what this is here. Well, when you play Guitar Pro back, it's going to sound exactly how it needs to, but get to that in a bit. Number one here. So I added more notes for the melody part, and then we're going to repeat the whole thing. So good idea is learn the melody. So and then the third bar is the same as the first. And we're just going to climb straight on up. And then it starts, or the next three bars are the same as the first three bars. And then we do a descending one. And then play the whole thing again. So let's play it. Do that again. My brain wandered off. All right, I better watch the screen. Right, number two. So, that's right. This is basically what you worked on yesterday. And it's almost repeating again here. So this is the same as that. The fingering for this is the same here. Kind of working in harmonic minor for this one. And then play the whole thing twice. So, full speed, yeah, at 140. Let's play it at half speed first. 100% speed. Okay, number 3. So you may have seen stuff like this in other, tabs, whatnot. But in case you don't know, this right here, you see that little 1, that little bracket there? Basically what that means is the first time you play through here, you will play this, because that 1 means play it the first time through. And then you start the repetition or the repeat, but you replace this with that the second time through. So it looks almost the same. That has that's a quarter note followed by a dotted half note rest, just like it is up here. But the very last one, that's a whole note. So basically the drums and the bass change enough to where I can't just do a full repeat. So it ends this way. It sounds nicer. But basically the idea is you're going to play this 4 times. So just on the 4th time, let that note ring out the whole time. So yeah, a lot of times you'll see, just kind of like save room, people will notate things like this, because like maybe because you'll repeat something like this, but then the last bar ends up being different than the rest, or like different than, basically like on the repeat, the last bar will be changed, so then you can notate it like this. So basically you end up doing all the same stuff again, but then you replace that with this. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's play this at half speed to start. %, speed. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And that's that. So yeah, whenever you got the chords filled in, send it on over. I'll check it out. You may have done that already. I haven't looked at my inbox in a minute. But yeah, any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again next week.